Hello my friends, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. What I'm showing you here is a car that I came across that I did some work on. Actually, I did the interior on this car. So I found this car on the internet and I actually saw a really nice video about this car. I'm going to link it in the description below. I hope you watch that video. I duplicated the original upholstery in this car during the restoration while I worked for Lon Kruger at Sun Valley Classics in Scottsdale, Arizona around about 1998 or 1999. So take a look at this. This is a one of one car sitting in the Peterson Museum in Los Angeles, California. And I guess it's part of my legacy, I think. This car will probably be around a very long time. So it's a 1954 Plymouth Explorer idea car. It's a car built by Ghia in Italy. One thing I'd like to point out here, and I hope that you notice, right there where you see the seat welt, the black seat welt on the backrest, you can see where it looks a little rough right there. What you're actually seeing is a hand stitch. It's not sewn on the machine, so it's actually a hand stitch. And the reason it looks like that is because I duplicated exactly what it was when the car was new from the factory. So I duplicated what was original. That's the reason for that, and that's why I wanted to point that out. As you can see, the seats and the luggage in the back is the original factory photos. And here at the end, I could see that somebody thought enough about the car that they made a scale model. So until next time, we'll see ya.